Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here, one more time for String Tech Workstations, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. Got a couple of things on the go today, and I'm going to share this with you as I always do. So I've got another neck surgery kit going out, and two of these fretting kits, one going to Nashville, the other one going to Victoria, Australia, to Steve Callahan. Just packing up this bridge slotting jig. This is also going to Steve in Victoria, Australia. And this second fretting kit is going to Scott St. Denis in Nashville, Tennessee. He has a very busy shop. Now for myself, I'm just getting back to the shop, working half days every other day as I recover from the surgery. So these two guitars, I've got a Squire Strat that's kind of loaded that Keith has put a lot of money and time and effort into to get this thing exactly the way he wants it. Both these guitars are having similar jobs. They're both getting complete refrets, and we're switching the fingerboards over to compound radius. This is an old Lado guitar, neck through. We're going to be putting a compensated nut on this one. We'll be leaving that locking bed in place and fabricating a compensated nut ahead of that locking base. And of course, all of my Patreon Tier 3 guys will get a front row seat, full detail on both these jobs. Because these are fairly similar jobs, I'm doing them both in tandem. So we've got frets removed on both guitars. They're strapped down on their respective GPS Tech Deck workstations. Both guitars are getting a compound radius and of course a complete refret. So stick around, there's lots more to come. Cheers.